Hi friends, welcome to our channel to watch our video and thank for your continued supports for the betterment of our channel.
We hope that you might have watched our previous videos on
Health benefits of aloe vera,
how to extract aloe vera gel from aloe vera leaf,
how to make aloe vera gel curry,
how to prepare aloe vera powder, and how to make aloe vera juice.
To know more about health benefits of aloe vera, watch our previous video on health benefits of aloe vera.
Now, in this current video, let us demonstrate how to prepare Aloe Vera Sweet Kesari at home.
Start watching this video to the end. The ingredients required for preparing Aloe Vera Sweet Kesari are
1 cup of well-cleaned aloe vera gel,
Hope that you might have watched our previous video on how to extract the well-cleaned aloe vera gel.
1 cup of sugar,
1 cup of rava,
a few dried grapes to your taste,
a few cashew nuts to your taste, 1 cup of ghee.
and 10 number of cardamom.
Boil the aloe vera gel with minimum flame.
Roast the rava in another tawa.
Then transfer the roasted rava into the plate.
Now, add the sugar to the boiling aloe vera gel. Pour the ghee into the tawa.
Add the dried grapes and cashew nuts to the ghee and stir well.
Transfer the fried grapes and cashew nuts to a plate.
Add 4 cups of water to the tawa.
Add roasted rava to the boiling water and stir well.
Add cardamom to the rava.
Add ghee and sugar to the rava.
Add the fried grapes and cashew nuts and stir well on low flame.
Add the boiled aloe vera gel and stir on low flame.
Now, Aloe Vera Sweet Kesari is ready to eat and transfer it to the plate.
You could now see the yummy Aloe Vera Sweet Kesari. Okay guys. You might have enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, share it with your friend and relatives. And also, subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed earlier. Check out our other health and entertainment related videos also.
Thank you for watching this video.